In this video, I'm going to show you how to generate code within Google Adsense that you can place on your website and monetize your site. So I'll show you kind of how it will look like when it's on a website. So we'll just go over to this website here that is using AdSense, and you can see here AdSense will probably rotate through there. Sometimes it'll be an image ad, and it'll have that little blue icon that says Ad Choices on it. So if we were to scroll on down here, it also will look like this as well. So that's what AdSense does. If somebody were to click on that, you would actually get paid a certain percentage. It might be 5 cents a click, it might be $1 a click, it might be 50 cents a click. It just varies. But that is what Google AdSense is. So this is how you grab your Google AdSense code so you can place it on your website. The first thing you want to do is log into your Google AdSense account. Once you are logged in, you're going to choose the option up here at the top. You have a home icon, My Ads, Allow and Block Ads, and then Performance Reports. You want to just choose My Ads, and you're going to be taken to this page here. Since you may not understand how to add in, your information here, so you'll just want to go to New Ad Unit and just choose New Ad Unit. And this part here, this is where you can put in a name for it. So I would recommend naming it, what website this is going to go on. So we'll just put it on a website here. And you can choose the ad size. So if you want it to be a leaderboard, so it's like going across the top, they give you like recommended sizes, then they give you horizontal, vertical, square. So you just need to kind of choose. So visualize where in your website you want to place this before you go out and grab the code from Google AdSense. So that's important. So let's say that we want to put this down the side, right sidebar or something. So let's just go with the skyscraper ad. And you can choose the ad type. You could do text ads only, so it's only the text part, or you could do a combo of text and image rich media ads. And so the image rich media ads would be the ones with pictures that are kind of related to your niche market. Me personally, I would probably, it's going to be up to you, but you could probably be better off going with text ads. It's going to vary. So that's going to be a choice you'll have to make depending on, where you're promoting. It's going to depend on the type of site as well. So in my case, I probably would go with the text ads only for this particular website. Show blank space or show other ads from another URL. Fill space with the color. I would just choose show blank space for backup ads. At this point, you want to choose custom channels, and if this is your first time, you would choose create a new custom channel, and this is where you would put in your website. So a custom channel would be like, yourdomain.com, or in this case, we could do this site here, and then just choose save and choose the types of banner ads that would be offered there. So at this point, we've already got some custom channels here. So I'm going to add this to the CSS how-to channel. Then I will go over here. The next step, it's going to say select your ad style. So you can actually click through here and take a look on the right hand side here as that changes. So Google makes it real slick. You can go with that purple background. You can also play around with it over here if you really want to as well. And this kind of shows you the different color and code options. So you have select ad style, or you can use custom settings, which would be like custom colors. So you could choose like a custom tile color that might fit your website. But I would just go with select ad styles personally. So let's go here. Google default is right there. Some people, if you're one of those where you tested it and it looks like, you want it to flow better on your website, then you can actually go here to where it says use custom settings, and then it's going to choose which option you go with. So like maybe you want the URL to be a, like a midway or a navy blue, for example. And let's say you want the title of that post to be red or something, so it really jumps out. And let's go with like a gray color. And the text part, let's keep the text part black. So you could play around with that if you wanted to, and then you could just choose save and then select Save and Get Code. So once you're done modifying your ad, just select Save and Get Code, and then what you're going to come to next is a page that has your ad code. It's just a little pop-up window, and this is your ad script that comes up. It's between the JavaScript. You're ready to right-click and copy that, take it over to your website, and place it within your website. So that's how you set up grab Google AdSense code so that you can actually work with it. So again, you just need to go to your AdWords account, and then once you get your code, you just copy it, and then you're ready to paste it on your website where you want it to go. And then once your ad has been created as well, you can go back to the My Ad section. You could do a new ad unit if you have a different part of your website. You can sort these by when they were actually set up. So like this one was set today. So all you would need to do is come on over here and you can choose Get Code. So you can go to any ad that you've already set up, and you can just choose Get Code, and it will use the pop-up window. You just put your mouse in this window, right click, choose Copy, and you're ready to paste in that information. So you go to Add My Ads, then go down here to where it says Get Code, highlight that, right click, copy, and you're ready to paste it in there. So again, this is how you work with Google AdSense. You can monetize your site with Google AdSense.